Good morning, everybody. Today is day 19 of morning pages. I didn't sleep that well last night. I don't know what's going on. Some days I'm still working through some stuff, so I don't know. It's like, will this be my entire life? Will I constantly be having sleep? Like, will I ever sleep for 8 hours straight again in my life? Will that ever happen? Will I ever sleep for 7 hours straight? Will I ever sleep for 6 hours straight? I don't fucking know. It used to really aggravate me to the point where I get frustrated. Now I feel the frustration, but I don't go into it. I'm just like, yeah, that sucks. And then that's it. But not fun when you can't sleep. I mean, I was doing breath work. I'm tapping myself. I mean, my brain just feels like it's stuck with stuff. I mean, part of me feels like the morning pages is bringing some of this stuff out. So, I don't know. I'm going to keep doing it. That's the thing. I'm going to continue to do that. Once after I get to day 30, I won't have to record. Or I won't be recording. Not have to. I won't be recording and posting the stuff, so that will save me time. So to just wake up and do them might be an easier process. Today's July 8th 2023, and I'm going to begin. Alright, done. Fuck. It's like 1,000,000 degrees right now in this fucking house. And it's just driving me nuts. It's the most distracted I've been writing these pages. 1, 2, 3. Those were very frustrating pages. My body temperature was like up to 1,000,000 degrees right now. I'm just really warm. We have no AC at this house. I didn't sleep well. I'm not I'm not in a good mood, and I have to get out of this because I'm going to teach a class in like an hour for 16 people. I'm teaching an improv workshop. So I have to go in my car and like just scream at the top of my lungs. That's what it feels like. Those pages were very aggravating. I didn't feel like writing them. It just wasn't. I'm just not in the mood. It's not in the mood right now. Fuck. This is like the most influent whatever people are they're talking about. I don't know. I'm just not. I just gonna end this. That was day 19. It was very, very frustrating. I felt like my mind was all over the place. I couldn't figure out. I mean, yesterday I was writing about one thing. This thing, I was back to just all over the place. It was just like a person with mental problems writing, trying to. I don't know. It felt like some like. I don't know. It felt like it was like a automatic, unconscious sort of response to some like thing in the past. So hopefully I got it out by writing these pages, and I could go live a life that's not tied up in all the bullshit. So we'll see. So it's day 19, Saturday. Have a great weekend. If you're writing the morning pages, maybe I don't know, maybe just writing this stuff will help clear out some of the crap in your mind. I'm hoping it does for me, and it feels like it kind of is a little bit. Maybe I'm hoping that it is now that I'm talking about it. I think I'm just happy that it's over. So, all right, I'll see y'all tomorrow.